What's up, guys? Jonathan Hart. This is the McLaren 720S I won from 8080.com, so give them a shout out. Got the car home, and so I'm just going to be doing a cold start today. Going to be driving it to Medford for getting one little issue fixed. So, if you guys want to see a cold start, by the way, this is Athena. This is my German Shepherd. So she's a little excited. Hey, puppy. She's got one of them floppy ears, but she's adorable. Stay down. So anyways, figured give you guys a cold start and hear what she sounds like when she first fires up.